Welcome and heartiest congratulations to all in Maths class 9 and 10 introductory session. First of all, Maths is a short form of mathematics. Mathematics. Maths is a short form of mathematics, or short form of mathematics is maths. MATHS. Usually students write short form as math, which is improper. So whenever we write the short form of mathematics, we must write maths. Okay? Now, what is mathematics? Mathematics is a branch of knowledge dealing with numbers and their operations. Branch of knowledge dealing with numbers and operations is termed as mathematics. Now in mathematics we have numbers. Now again, a number is a symbol used to calculate various purposes in our day-to-day life. The number is a symbol used for calculation of various purposes in our day-to-day life. So, up to now, we have seen the short form of mathematics. What is there in mathematics? Number and their operations. What is number? The number is a symbol. Now, then we see the type of the number. So first type is natural number. Natural number. This natural number is also called counting number. Counting number. Whenever we are asked to start counting, we start from 1. Counting is always start right from 1. So, the smallest natural number is 1, and the highest natural number is not known, as it never terminates, as it never ends. So the smallest natural number is 1, the largest not known, NK. अब इसमें मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि मैथ्स में बहुत सारे सिंबल्स हैं, जो सिंबल का एक्सेप्टेंस यूनिवर्सल है, लेकिन इसके बाद भी टू मेमोराइज दोज वेल वी अप्लाई समटाइम्स इंडिविजुअल एब्रिविएशंस. तो थोड़ा इंडिविजुअल एब्रिविएशंस हम लोग केवल ब्लैक बोर्ड पर और क्लासरूम के लिए करते हैं, नॉट इन द एग्जाम, एज नॉट they are universal. So, largest natural number is not known. This natural number contains two types of number. One is called prime and the second one is called composite. Natural number is of two types. One is called prime, the second one is called composite. Before going to the primes and composites, we should know two terms. One is factor and the second one is multiple. Factor and multiple. As I have told, maths is a branch of knowledge dealing with numbers and their operations. तो इस ऑपरेशन में we have mathematical operations of four types. One is called addition. The second one operation is subtraction. The third one is division. And the fourth one is multiplication. You may tell it in different orders also, but we have mainly four operations: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. In division, we have again four terms. In division, in the operation division, we have four terms. The first is dividend. A dividend is that very number which is divided. That which is divided is called a dividend. Like 12 divided by 3. 12 is divided by 3. So here 12 is dividend. Dividend is always divided. And this dividend is divided by the next term of division, that is called divisor. A divisor is a number which divides the dividend. Like in this example, 3 is a divisor of 12. 12 is a dividend by 3. Third is called quotient. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट इस क्वोशेंट को कोटिएंट भी बोलते हैं. Always be alert and tell it quotient. Quotient is also a number that tells how many times divisor is dividing the dividend. That is called quotient. And the fourth one is remainder. Remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. There is also a formula based on division propounded by the great mathematician of Greece, Euclid, which is known as Euclid division. As per Euclid division formula, Euclid formula for division is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay? Now come to the term factor. Factor. Factor is a dividend. Factor is not a dividend. Factor is a divisor. Factor is a divisor of a dividend. Like 12. 12 has so many factors. 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then 15 can be divided by 1, 3, 5 and 15. We'll be observing that the number 1 is the factor of all numbers. Means 1 can divide all the numbers that we know. Again, the number itself divides a number, means the number itself is a factor. The number itself is a factor. Like here, it is 12. This 12 divides 12, so 12 is a factor of 12. 15 is a factor of 12. 15 is a factor of 15. So, divisor is a factor or factor is a divisor, vice versa. Divisor is a factor is a divisor. Factors of a number are limited. We can count, like 15 has 4 factors, but this 12 has 6 factors. So factors are limited in number. So first of all, if it is asked, so what is a factor? Then the answer is the factor is a divisor. It is limited in number. Then the next term is multiple. Multiple. Multiple is a dividend. Dividend. Multiple is a dividend, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16. Three is divided by 3. So 3 is a multiple of 3. Means the number itself is multiple. 6 is divided by 3. So 6 is a multiple of 3. 9 is divided by 3. Exactly divisible by 3. So 3 is a multiple of 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. 12 is exactly divisible by 3. So 12 is a multiple of 3. In the same way, 4 is multiple of itself. 8 is a multiple of 4. 12 is a multiple of 4. 16 is a multiple of 4. In this way, we can go on. The second point with multiple is that the multiple is unlimited. in numbers. Multiples are unlimited, factors are limited. So thus, if there is a question regarding differences between factor and multiple, so we can boldly say factors are divisors, factors are limited in number, multiples are dividend, multiples are unlimited in number. So these two terms are related to the number, which we are going again to discuss. Natural number. Two types. One is prime. The second one is composite. Now what are prime numbers? जैसे ही प्राइम नंबर का डेफिनेशन होता है तो वहां आ जाता है अ नंबर विच हैज टू फैक्टर, अ नंबर विच हैज टू फैक्टर। लेकिन ये डेफिनेशन इम्प्रॉपर है। जब कभी हमें प्राइम नंबर और कंपोजिट नंबर को डिफाइन करना तो हम लोग इन नंबरों को डिफाइन करेंगे विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू दी नेचुरल नंबर। हमें बोलना पड़ेगा कि अ नेचुरल नंबर हैविंग टू फैक्टर्स, अ नेचुरल नंबर हैविंग मोर देन टू फैक्टर्स, इफ द नेचुरल नंबर हैज ओनली टू फैक्टर्स, तो दैट वेरी नेचुरल नंबर इज प्राइम। If a natural number has more than two factors, the natural number is composite. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number. And the smallest composite number is 4. This 2 is a prime number and this 4 is also a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 4 is the smallest composite number. अब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस बोर्ड में भी पूछते हैं, क्लास 10 में भी पूछते हैं, 9 में भी पूछे जाते हैं और डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं कि वैसे नंबर का प्रोडक्ट बताइए, वैसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर का प्रोडक्ट बताइए जो प्राइम है और कंपोजिट है, और आंसर ऑब्जेक्ट आंसर दिया हुआ रहता है। जैसे यहां स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर है 2, स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर है 4, तो इस दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कितना हो जाएगा 8। तो इस 8 वाले में हमें टिक कर देना है अगर मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर है तो। नहीं अगर लिखना है तो 8 हम लोग लिख देंगे। तो ये याद रखना कि प्राइम नंबर इज ए नेचुरल नंबर, कंपोजिट नंबर इज ए नेचुरल नंबर। और एक और चीज याद रखना है कि जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं दे आर नॉट प्राइम्स। जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर हैं दे ऑल आर नॉट कंपोजिट्स। लेकिन जो भी प्राइम नंबर है वो नेचुरल नंबर है, जो भी कंपोजिट नंबर है वो नेचुरल नंबर है। तो फर्स्ट नंबर इज द नेचुरल नंबर। सेकेंड नंबर हम लोग बोलते हैं होल नंबर। होल नंबर, अब ये होल नंबर है क्या? तो व्हेन काउंटिंग नंबर्स इज इंक्लूडेड with 0, तो we have whole, means 0 with a counting number, 0 with the natural number को हम लोग whole number बोलते हैं। अब नेचुरल नंबर काउंटिंग नंबर है 1 2 3 4 so on, और इसमें अगर 0 लग गया तो 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. This 0, अभी 0 के बारे में भी हम लोग जानेंगे। जीरो, ZERO, जीरो। अब जीरो के इन्वेंशन के बारे में बहुत सारे ओपिनियन हैं, लेकिन इन इंडिया दिस जीरो वॉज फर्स्टली इन्वेंटेड बाय मैथमेटिशियन ब्रह्मगुप्त। in 620 AD, or in 629 it was by आर्यभट्ट। दोनों में अंतर क्या कि ब्रह्मगुप्त ने जो जीरो का इन्वेंशन किया तो ही सिंबलाइज जीरो विथ डॉट, और आर्यभट्ट ही सिंबलाइजेस लाइक दिस। अब यही सिंबल इज प्रिविलेंट इज इन प्रैक्टिस जीरो। वैसे 0 to 1, 0 to 9, नंबर 0 to 9 is supposed to be the invention of Indian minds। पुराने समय में इंडिया का ट्रेड रिलेशन था, इंडिया को डिफरेंट नेम से भी जानते थे, आर्यावर्त, हिंदुस्तान, भारत। तो इन एंशिएंट इंडिया देयर वाज ट्रेड रिलेशन ऑफ इंडियंस विद अरब्स, और अरब मर्चेंट के साथ ये नंबर चला गया कहां? अरब में, कंट्री अरब। The Arab merchants took these numbers right from Hindustan to Arab, और वहां Arabians call these numbers Hind से, as it was from Hindustan, so they call this number Hind से। अब अरेबियंस का कांटेक्ट था रोमन से, तो रोमन्स के साथ ये नंबर वेंट राइट फ्रॉम अरब टू रोम, और ये रोमन्स अरेबियन से नंबर लाए थे, सो दोज रोमन्स कॉल दिस नंबर अरेबिक नंबर, अरेबिक नंबर।
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो ही नहीं रहा है, बोल रहे हैं तब से।
हाँ